Hey guys, welcome to a new video. It's a hair tutorial, it's a compilation hair tutorial. I'm going to show you 10 different ideas for hairstyles that you can do with ribbons. Spring is upon us and I feel like this is the perfect time to get a little bit more girly with your looks, or at least that's what I like to do when spring comes around, and I feel like ribbons are just perfect for that. There are so many options for how you can use them, so that's what we're going to do today. 10 hairstyles is a lot, so let's jump straight into it. For the first hairstyle, I'm going to start by splitting my hair down the center. And I am going to tie it into a low bun in the back. So I'm just doing a little messy bun, so scrunching up my hair while I tie my hair elastic around it. I just pull my hair through the hair elastic partially every time. And when I have my two little buns, I'm going to take a fairly short ribbon and tie one around each little bun. And that is the first hairstyle. Super cute! The second hairstyle is going to be a half up, so I'm going to start by making partings on each side of my head, going from my ear to the top of my crown. I'm going to make sure everything is nice and smooth, pulled straight back, and then I'm going to tie this off with a little hair elastic into a nice little half up. Then I'm going to wrap a ribbon around that. And here is what that looks like. Again, super cute, super simple, it takes just a few seconds to do. And here is how that looks with a bit of a bigger, thicker and more colorful ribbon. Also super cute. Next style, I'm gonna split my hair in half again. Gonna tie off one of the sides to keep that hair out of my way. And then I'm gonna start by Dutch braiding one of these sides. So I'm gonna split my hair in 3 and then start braiding under, and every time I braid under I'm going to add a little piece of hair until I make my way all the way down the back of my head. And when I've reached the nape of my neck, I'm going to just tie this off with a little hair elastic and do the exact same thing on the other side. So braiding all the way down and tying it off into a little ponytail. Then I'm going to take my ribbon and I'm going to tie 2 little bows again around my ponytails. And there is this hairstyle finished. If you're wondering how I'm getting through doing 10 hairstyles in a row, what a segue. No, but seriously guys, today's video is kindly sponsored by Native Deodorants, and I just want to tell you a little bit about them before we move on to the next hairstyle. I have been using these deodorants for a few weeks now and I am absolutely blown away by them. They are a completely natural deodorant, paraben-free, aluminum-free, and I love pretty much everything about them. I have tried quite a few natural deodorants throughout my life and none of them have worked as well as this one. In fact, this somehow even works better than my normal non-natural deodorants. So that is pretty amazing. I apply 2 to 3 sweeps of this in the morning and it keeps me dry all day, keeps me smelling wonderful all day. Speaking of scents, they have a pretty wide selection of scents. I have 3 of them here. Cucumber and mint. Smells amazing. It smells like cucumber and mint. Super fresh, definitely something that I want for the warmer months. Lavender and rose, which is a predominantly lavender scent, but very soft. It definitely has hints of other flowers as well. I love when I catch a whiff of this while I'm working out. It just so good. And then the last one I have here is charcoal. This one contains activated charcoal, so the stick itself is dark gray, and Robert's been using this one. And this one has a very, again, fresh, kind of minerally scent. When I wear deodorant, I want to be able to smell the deodorant throughout the entire day and not smell my own scent throughout the entire day, and these deodorants do that for me. I absolutely love the texture of this. It feels really creamy and dry at the same time. It feels dry almost straight away and it stays that way throughout the day. They are also vegan and cruelty-free, which yay! If you're interested in trying these yourself, you can save 33% on your first Native deodorant pack plus free shipping. So check out the link in the description box for that, and don't forget to use my code to use the offer. So a big thank you to Native for sponsoring today's video and for just making amazing deodorant. Onto the next hairstyle. I'm going to pull my hair up into a high ponytail. Tie it up with a hair elastic and then wrap a ribbon around it, tie it into a cute little bow. And I really like this with larger ribbons, some thicker, maybe longer ribbon. Looks super cute, super simple way to add some color to an outfit. So next I'm going to keep my hair in that ponytail. I'm just going to twist it into a quick little cinnamon bun by twisting it around itself and then pinning it down with some bobby pins. I'm going to take a thin ribbon but a little bit of a longer one and wrap it around this bun and tie a bow on top. So that's one option. I personally prefer this with the bow on the bottom though. Again, super easy, super cute. Next look, I'm going to pull my hair to the side, split it into 3 and just do a simple normal English braid all the way down the length of my hair. Then tie it off with a hair elastic. And I'm going to tie my short ribbon again around the elastic here into a little bow. And then I'm going to go back and fluff this braid up a little bit so that it looks a bit more thick and voluminous. For the next style, I'm going to do another half up, but this one's going to be a bit lower on my head and I'm going to keep my parting in the front. So I'm just going to tie the top half of my hair with a hair elastic. And then I'm going to take the end of my rat tail comb and just pull up the hair on my crown a little bit to create a bit of a poof. There we go. And then of course tie a ribbon around the hair elastic. And this is another really cute half up, and this one's a little bit more relaxed than the first one. Okay, now here's a super simple option, really quick to do, just a matter of seconds, is to take a ribbon and tie it around like a headband. Can be just as simple as that. For the next look, I'm going to tie my hair into a low ponytail. And then I'm going to tie a long ribbon around my ponytail. I'm going to pull the long part of the ribbon through the elastic so that it's a bit more secure. Then I'm going to split my hair in 2 and use the ribbon as the 3rd strand when I braid my hair. I'm going to tie it off with a hair elastic and then wrap it into a cinnamon bun again. Pin this down with some bobby pins to make sure it's really nice and secure. And then I'm going to wrap the ribbon around and pin that down as well. For the next style, I am going to split my hair into 2, but I'm not going to make a parting in the back. So I'm going to make 2 ponytails at the nape of my neck. And I'm then going to tie a ribbon around the hair elastic again, pull it through the elastic to make sure it's really nice and secure. And then I am going to split my hair into 3 sections and add the ribbon to one of the sections while I braid my hair all the way down. And you want to make sure the ribbon doesn't get lost in the strand that it's with. Tie off the ends with a hair elastic and then do the same thing on the other side. So when both sides are braided, I'm going to pull these braids up. I'm going to do some cute little Milkmaid braids. So I'm just going to stick in some bobby pins to be sure this is really nice and secure. I'm going to do that both sides and at the same time make sure that the other end of my ribbon is hidden away. Then I'm going to cross my ribbon in the front, cross it in the back. Depending on how long your ribbon is, you can just make a bow in the front. I'm gonna tie it into a little bow and there it is done. And that's it, guys. Those are the 10 hairstyles that I wanted to share with you today. So I really hope you found it helpful, inspiring maybe, and you tried some of these out this coming spring and summer. If you did enjoy, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for loads more beauty and lifestyle content. I want to give a massive thank you again to Native for sponsoring today's video. There will be another video here that I think you might also enjoy. You can go watch next. Thank you for watching and I'll see you very soon in my next video.